Hey guys, welcome back to Creativity and Inspiration. How's everyone doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. If you're new, welcome. I'm super excited you found us, and if you keep coming back, thank you. Today's video is a little bit different. I thought we'd do something kind of fun. We are doing What is in My Bag Paper Crafter Edition. So what does a paper crafter, an artist, a journal person keep in their purse at all times? And what kind of purse do they keep? And does that make a difference what you keep in it? Yes and no. So I'm going to bring this little table up closer and I'll talk about my bag and what I keep in it. This is my bag, and you might be going, that's a backpack. It's a mini backpack, like a purse backpack. It's not very big at all, but let me back this up just a little bit. But it's super fun. You can carry it over one shoulder with both loops. You can carry it over both shoulders. You could carry it with this handle, kind of like that, like a purse, however you want to. This is the one I carry most of the time. I like this because I go to a lot of doctor's appointments with my husband, and this just allows me to carry everything I want to bring in a nice, concise fashion. Of course, this is vegan leather. I got it at Amazon, and I'll link it down below. And we're going to start with the outside back pocket. In this back pocket, I'm in 2 book clubs, so I always have a book with me if they'll fit in this pocket. If not, I just carry the books in my hand. But the one I'm reading this month is small and it fits. So I always have a book with me most of the time in this back pocket. Well, first, before we do inside, let's talk about pockets. It has this pocket zippered on the back where my book was. Then it has a similar pocket on the front with a nice big zipper pull on it. Big spacious pocket there. And then I have the 2 little side pockets both on the sides, which are also nice and spacious. Inside I have 1 big pocket, and then I have 2 little zip pockets plus a 3rd pocket. So lots and lots of storage in this little backpack. That's why I love it. And like I said, when you have to sit and wait a lot, this is perfect to carry everything. Plus I can put my sunglasses or my glasses in these little pockets. I can have room for my phone. Everything is just right at fingertip, believe it or not, because it's not a full-size backpack. So inside my bag, there's 1 big pocket in the center, and I have my Vera Bradley wallet. I've got my driver's license, my credit cards, change, and if I have any cash on me, it's in there. Then I have my sketchbook and my journal, note-taking book. Have my pencil bag that I carry pencils, inking pens, pens, maybe some colored pencils, a sharpener, and an eraser. Always have those things with me, always. And then, I don't know about you, but if you've ever been to a doctor's office, restaurant, the gym, whatever, and you go in the women's bathroom and there's no toilet paper. So I always carry a little roll of toilet paper, just in case. Can never be too safe. I have my own paper towels, and this is so good to have. This is good if you're in your car and you get too hot and you need to wipe down if you just got out of the gym, or if you go into a restroom and there's no towels. All you do is you take this. On this side is water. On this side are dehydrated little towels. You pop one of the little towels out. You snap the bottom back closed. You put the towel in this circle thing, and you get it wet, and then as it gets wet, it expands. And I like to put it in there a couple of times. And you just get it all wet. And then as it gets wet, it goes from being a little disc to a paper towel, to being a towel. And you just open it up. and you can dry your hands off. Yes, I just wet it, but it's not that wet. And after washing my hands in a bathroom, I need to dry them. How many of you had to dry your hands on your clothes and that's gross after coming out of the bathroom, and maybe you're going to eat, or maybe you're going for work, a presentation, or going in to see the doctor. You don't want to have wet spots from drying your hands on your clothes. And look at this. This little towel is so great. You can also fold it back up and throw it back in your purse and use it again in your car to wipe your hands again. Wipe off your steering wheel or whatever. You can get 2 or 3 uses out of one little towel just for drying your hands. So this little thing is very, very useful because I've been in a lot of bathrooms without towels to dry my hands. Now next, I have this little screen cleaner. It's really cool. It comes with its own cleaner inside. You just pump a couple of squirts on. You just pump a couple of squirts on your computer screen, your phone screen. And then you take the body. It's a drying cloth, and you just dry your phone, your screen, whatever. I did a short on this, so you can go find the short, and then you just snap it back in there and carry it around. It's excellent. Love that thing. Best invention, I swear. Now I'm going into a pocket on my purse. And the first thing in my pocket is this little guy. And these are little soap sheets. So if I go in a bathroom and there's no soap, don't worry. These are little individual soap sheets. You get them wet. They lather up. They're soap. It's awesome. Then you rinse your hands and you dry them with your towel. You're all set. It's that easy to go. Now, what if the water is not working in the bathroom? Well, in that case, it's kind of hard to wash your hands, right? But if the water's not working in the bathroom, I just carry some Perel single-use hand sanitizer. I carry some Perel single-use little hand sanitizer packets. They are not a cloth. They are the actual liquid, and you just squeeze it on your hand. That's if the water's not working. If the water's working but there's no soap, that's okay. I have my soaps, my little soap sheets right here, and my towels to dry my hands. I'm all set, right? Well, what if you have to go to and I keep 2 or 3 the little Perel things on me. Those are also handy if you're shopping and maybe you ride the escalator and you have a towel from the bathroom. You can wipe your hands down with that and then use some Perel. And then I would throw the towel away. But it's good for that as well. But what if you're out and you have to go to the bathroom? I always keep a little poopery. Cute, looks like a perfume bottle. Nobody knows what it is. I always keep a little poopery with me. And then when I go eat, a lot of times, sometimes I get stuff stuck in my teeth. And this is just the best thing. Watch this. It's dental floss. It's a dental floss carrier. It's not hand sanitizer, guys. It's actually a dental floss carrier. So if I'm eating popcorn in a doctor's office waiting on my husband and I get something stuck in my teeth, or if we're out eating and I have, something that gets lodged in my teeth, I can go in the restroom and get it out with my little dental floss carrier. So this thing is really, really handy. It's pink. It blends in with everything else. So that is what's in my purse at all times. Now, you're probably wondering, do you carry the mini faux vegan leather backpack at all times? I normally do, yes. But what if I don't? What else would I carry, and would all of this fit? Yes and no. So let me show you something else I might carry. These are the other 2 purses I love to carry. Just a plain little crossbody brown bag. And this is a fun clear bag. Isn't that fun? Love that. So for this one, what I would do is this inside part comes out. I would put my keys in here. I put my screen cleaner in there. And then in this bag is the long handle, but I like to carry this one with the shorter handles. And then in this bag, I will take my cards out of here and my ID and just put them in here in this one, so that I wouldn't take that at all. And then I would also put in my toilet paper, my dental floss, I would just leave in this bag. My little soap sheets, because they're pink and they're so cute, they're like a little bear or whatever, I would just put down in this bag too. I would throw my hand sanitizer and my towels in there, and that's it. I could put everything in here if I wanted to, so we can do that. I could put them in the bottom, or I could put them in here. I'm just gonna put them in here. Okay, and there's that, and I would put this down in here like that, and then I would throw in my 2 journals, and then my pens and pencils, I would just put a smaller thing because that's not going to fit. I would just put 1 or 2 in there instead of this. So I would only take like 1 pencil, 1 pen, and 1 eraser, and that's it. But then there is this bag all ready to go. And then the same goes with the brown crossbody bag. I would, change up to whatever fit comfortably. Of course, my 2 journals always go, and all of my goodies in this bag always go, because I never like to leave home without my little towels to go, my screen cleaner, my dental floss, my soap, my hand sanitizer, my toilet paper, or my poopery. So guys, that's what a paper crafter, journaler, artist likes to carry in her bag, and the types of bags I like to carry. I hope you liked this video. It was just something a little different, a little fun. If you did, be sure and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button with that little bell, because on Wednesday, we are going out shopping, and we are going to see what all we can find. We're going to look for really good and interesting art supplies, crafting supplies, see what's on sale, that sort of thing. And on Friday, we're going to be making all sorts of cool journal inserts. You don't want to miss out. You don't want to miss out. So if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button with that little bell. Be sure and give this video a thumbs up. I will see you on Wednesday, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.